Alright, so let's now learn about sections. If you want to add a new section, just click on the plus button and it will be added. If you want to add an inner section, drag this from here and you are done. I'll delete the inner section, and as you can see, we now only have one section that is left. Then we'll drag the heading option. I'll write a normal text like hello world. I'll set its alignment to center. Color can be the same. Let's change the typography. I'll increase the size and change the font style to bold. I'll keep the line height as it is. I increase the letter spacing a little bit so that it looks good. Word spacing will be kept as it is. We can give it some margin by going to advanced options. I'll just give it some margin from the top. Let's say 100. I'll save it and I refresh my website. And here you go. You can see the results. So yeah, as you can see, you can design it in whichever way we like. Alright, so we are done with heading. Next, we have images. I'll drag this and bring it here. I can insert any images here, so I'll go and choose the image I want. We can either upload a file or pick one from the media library or from the free images. WordPress helps you search and find free images, so let's choose this one. I'll click on Insert Media and the image is now visible on our page. I'll keep the alignment to center and I change the size to medium. I'll write it in the custom caption field, clouds. So this is basically an alternative. Like if the website is really slow, this caption will be displayed. If you want the caption in the background, we can also do that. Alright, so I'll delete the image by simply clicking here. Okay, so I can easily re-upload an image here if I want. I pick one, I then change it to medium. I'll drag it a little bit. And then we can add captions and a link if you want to. Alright, then we have text editor, which we'll drag and drop here. I'll add a dummy text here. Then of course you can see many editing options you may already be familiar with. You find these in popular software like Microsoft Word. Okay, then here we have this bulleted list option so that we can show the text in bullet points. I'll write some text and then if I pick this option, you can see the bullets. So yes, this is how it looks like. Then there are numbers, an insert link in which we can add a link so that whenever someone clicks on it, they are directed to a new page. Okay, so these are all the options available. Just take your time with them. Have a look at each one of them and try it and see how it works. And then you'll easily understand its usage. Next, we have the video option here. I'll drag it here and a default video starts playing here in front of us. We can easily import the video we want to add. However, if you want to upload YouTube videos, then you would need to purchase the premium version. We can also choose sources like Dailymotion and Vimeo, but YouTube and Vimeo are the most popular and the mostly used ones. Okay, so these are all the settings related to video: start time, end time, autoplay, etc. We can also choose the thumbnail from here. Here you can adjust the color and edit your video too. Then we have buttons. We can easily drag them and insert them anywhere. We can also change their positions and change the text. I'll write view all. I'll say and update it, and this is how it looks like. We can change the border radius and put icons. Here you can see that there is a lot of free icons. I'll choose this grin alt emoji and it will look like this. We already talked about the position before or after. You can use whatever you want. Then here, we have the icon spacing. Let me play around with it to see how it works. And here you go. We see the space between the icon and the view all text. For the button ID, we have to purchase the premium version. Here we can choose the text color and background color. I'll change the background color to red. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This was all when it comes to buttons. There are in fact many settings we covered before, so no need to cover over them again and again. You need to practice frequently, and I am pretty sure you will be becoming much more comfortable with everything that we're doing. Alright folks, that was it for this lecture,